Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can request time off in Paychex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Paychex app. Once you open it, you'll end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on the view all option in the time off section. After you do so, all you need to do now is simply tap on the request time off in the time off section. After you have done this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply fill in the necessary credentials about what type of request you are making and from when and where you need to time zone set, and simply submit it. After hitting the submit button, your submission of request time off is completed in your Paychex app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.